What's the meaning of beating the bounds? Beating the bounds. Beating the bounds.
Beating the bounds. Beating the bounds. Beating the bounds is an ancient English custom that involves a group of people walking around the boundaries of a parish or town to mark and remember its limits. This tradition was typically carried out annually, often on Ascension Day, and served as a way to reaffirm community ties and ensure everyone knew the extent of their land. Participants would often use sticks or willow wands to beat the boundary markers and landmarks along the route, and children would be lifted up and bumped against trees or stones to ensure they remembered the boundary lines. Today, beating the bounds has largely fallen out of practice, but it remains a fascinating reminder of England's rich cultural history.